Hello, children. So, today in this module, we are going to discuss the topic report writing. A report is written or spoken account of an event. It is a systematic and well organized representation of facts and findings of an event that has already taken place. It is a vivid expression of a personal experience on account of something heard, observed, investigated, studied, etc. It is meant to be published or broadcasted. The most common example of a report is the newspaper reports we read every day. Types of report: newspaper reports, a report about an accident or happening that you have witnessed, a report about an inquiry or survey. Then, second is magazine report, reports about school events or functions at school. These are two types of reports which are asked in CBSE board exams. Now, marking scheme. Report writing format, which includes heading and name, is for 1 mark, content for 4 marks, expression for 5 marks, and total the question comes for 10 marks. Format of a report. The first point that you have to keep in mind while writing a report is headline or heading. The headline or heading should be descriptive, that exposes the content of the report. Byline, name of the person writing the report. Place and date, mentioned separately in one line in newspaper report only. In magazine, we include place and date in the first or opening paragraph. We do not write place and date separately in a magazine report, but in newspaper we write it separately. Body of report. The body of the report should be divided into two paragraphs. Para 1, including what, when, where, who, and why. Your para 1 should be answering the questions what, when, where, who, and why. Para 2, it is giving the detail of that incident and answering how. Here is the format of a report writing. This is how you are going to write a newspaper report. So you can see here, first on the top in the center comes heading, then comes byline. On the left hand side comes place or date, then body of report, which should be divided into two paragraphs. Para 1, answering the questions what, when, why, and who. Then para 2, giving detail of the entire report and answering the question how. Now, points to remember: write a report in past tense, write in indirect speech and preferably in passive voice, write in third person form and avoid using pronouns like I, me, or you. Structuring materials, causes, reasons, consequences, opinions in a logical and coherent order should be put in the report. Be factual and include information collected from the people around or affected by the event. Present your ideas and impressions to make the report interesting. Avoid imposing your personal opinions in the report. Make appropriate conclusions that are supported by the evidence and analysis of the report. Newspaper report: accident or mishappening or a calamity. So these are the points that you can include when you are writing a report on some accident or some mishappening or some calamity. These are the points that you can include. First one is catchy headline. Expand headline in the opening paragraph. So obviously opening paragraph, as I already told you, it should be exposing or expanding your headline, including what, when, where. Second is write reason or motive, reason of mishappening or calamity or accident or motive of, suppose it is a robbery or a murder or some crime, so motive of that crime or mishappening. Then casualties or damage. Then add account of an eyewitness. It makes it more interesting, children, when you include an eyewitness's account there in your report. Then action taken by the authorities, relief measures if provided to anyone, to victims of that mishappening or calamity or accident, and then finally conclusion. Now here I have given you a sample report. A major bus mishap which left several people seriously injured took place at MG Road, Delhi. Luckily, no life was lost. Collect the information from the eyewitnesses and send a report in approx 150 words to Hindustan Times. You are Burkha, a newspaper correspondent. Now your heading is Speeding Bus Overturns by the newspaper reporter, name of the reporter, and slash name of the newspaper. And here comes your report. So you can see here, children, that in the beginning I have written date and place. So it's mandatory to write date and place here in the beginning in a separate line when you are writing a newspaper report. Here's another sample where you can further see it's about a robbery, and here also this is a newspaper report, so you can see that date and place is clearly mentioned in a separate line. Now let's talk about a magazine report. So magazine report, suppose you are reporting a cultural or sports event. So what you are supposed to mention there, these are the few points on the basis of which you can create your entire report, you can write your entire report. Fine. Like occasion, what was the occasion, organizer, who has organized it, date, time, venue. Okay, time is optional here. Chief guest, objectives and main highlights of the event, prize distribution or message by chief guest, vote of thanks, and overall details of that event. I'm giving you a sample of a magazine report also. You are Vinayak of Lovely Public School, Delhi. Recently, your school celebrated its Golden Jubilee. Write a report in 150 words for your school magazine describing the various programs arranged in your school for the celebration. So you can see here. Now, children, one thing I want to make it clear for you all, so that you do always remember that in newspaper report as you must have seen in the previous samples, we write in the opening paragraph, in the first line, we write date and time. While in magazine report, what we do is that we include those date and time there in the paragraph only, and we do not write that separately. So whenever you are writing a magazine report, keep that in mind that date and time should not be written separately, rather it should be included in the paragraph only. Fine. Like here I have written Lovely Public School, Delhi celebrated its 50 years of establishment on 5th February 2018. So in the sentence only I have included place, Lovely Public School, and then 5th February 2018 date also when the event took place. So this is your magazine report. I hope this video would help you in understanding how to write a report.